So with the Hemi, that obviously that means that it's got more power.
Yeah. This one I believe it's at 650 to the wheel.
650 wheel horsepower.
5.7. Yeah. I believe when you get the Hellcat, that's what, 800.
They have a Hellcat version of this?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So today what we're going to do is take a look at a Chrysler 300. Now, I just started looking, so, you know, no promises with any purchase anytime soon. I'm just looking. It looks like a great deal, and it would be replacing this thing right here, the Monte Carlo SS. I love my Monte. It's been great to me. It has the 5.3 liter LS4 in there, but my wife is pregnant. And you know, getting 2 kids in and out of my daily driver is going to be a bit of a problem. Now, if you're new to the channel, this is my Charger RT. It has a 397 in there that's cammed with a Genetti racing cam. It has 392 intake manifold, Hellcat throttle body, a Diablo jammer cold air intake, long tube headers by Dynatech, and a 3-inch MagnaFlow catback exhaust. Along with a whole bunch of other goodies. Then we're going to take this to go look at the 300. Again, guys, no promises on buying the actual 300. I just started looking. It seems like a pretty damn good deal, and we're going to see what they have to say about it. Maybe I'll take it for a test spin. I have no clue. But yeah, let's actually get going. All right, guys. So this is the 300 that I'm looking at. It's got a Hemi under the hood. It's in great shape. I think they want $18,000 for it, right?
Yeah, we're asking 18.5, but for you, we'll give it to you for 18.
18. So, guys, this is what I would be trading the Monte Carlo for. Yeah, I think this would be pretty much a nice little compliment next to the Charger. Another 5.7 in the driveway.
We got a sale going on, so you might want to think about taking it quickly because these things are a hot item.
Yeah, they sell pretty quick.
Pretty fast.
With the Hemis?
Yeah, we had one in the last 2 days on the lot the day before.
So with the Hemi, that obviously that means that it's got more power.
Yeah. This one I believe it's at 650 to the wheel.
650 wheel horsepower.
5.7. Yeah. I believe when you get the Hellcat, that's what, 800.
They have a Hellcat version of this?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. I think one's coming to the lot within a few weeks or so.
Dude, I didn't even know. I didn't even know.